Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to La Jenny 21 Nails. As a base, I have already applied this beautiful Shy nail polish called Fresh Water. To stamp, I'll use my Gold Born Pretty stamping polish, and this is the plate we'll be using today, BPL001. It was sent to me for review from Born Pretty store. Valentine's Day BPL001. I'll also use my Born Pretty Bling stamper. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know that I edit my videos a lot and I try to make them as short as possible, but I wanted to leave this in so that you guys could see just how well etched the stamping plate is and how beautiful the images turn out. I stamped the image with the words on 3 nails, and on the other 2 I used one of the rose images. It was hard to choose because all the images on this plate are gorgeous. We clean off the excess with a piece of tape. To finish off the manicure, I'll use the No Smudge top coat that Born Pretty sent me for review. This is what it looks like with the No Smudge top coat, and I'm happy to say that it didn't smear my nail design. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!